we made 5,000 pips trading Bitcoin with my community, and this setup was shared exactly at entry point right before the move. So I'm going to show you how I got the setup and what made me take that setup. So this is it here. You can say this is the Bitcoin setup, 5,000 pips, risking only 100 pips. So in Bitcoin is 1,000 pips. Okay, so that's the setup, and it has hit full take profit. So what did I do? So I'm going to replay the charts. Okay, this is when I came into the market. I think Bitcoin was here. Okay, that was when I came into the market. Bitcoin was here. So I marked out the zone because why? I have fair value gap here. You all can call it anything, but I can see a fair value gap, but it's overlapping with a demand zone and also support there. So you can say it's a support zone, or you can say it's a fair value gap, but it was pretty much valid. So I just knew that the zone is gonna be a good massive zone for Bitcoin to continue buying. And of course, it has breaking a structure here. Okay, and then here it has changed character. So all these are terms that I know that I can use to make you guys understand, but already I know that is supply and demand I saw. So coming into the markets, I saw this. This was a demand zone here that Bitcoin should have respected. But then, like I always say, if Bitcoin doesn't respect a demand zone and breaks it out, it will serve as supply to continue falling. Okay, so it had a demand zone here, it respected and then bought a little bit, but then came back to break it out. And as you can see, after the breakout here, it retested into that demand zone and became supply to sell. So that was where I had to find another demand zone, because I know that, okay, since Bitcoin has respected here, all this demand that did not respect will serve as liquidity. So serving as liquidity, it came back down to this fair value gap. And since I have liquidity above here, I targeted Bitcoin going to sweep that liquidity above. Okay, so after targeting to go to sweep that liquidity, which is over my full take profit, but my full take profit was way at the side. If I shift to the side so that I can show you why I decided to use that zone as my full take profit, you can see it was on a supply zone that was here. That's where I put my take profit, expecting Bitcoin to reach there, tap it, and start selling. That's how I got my full take profit. Okay, so this was the setup shared in my community, and then let me play the chart and see. So after marking the zone, Bitcoin tapped into the zone. It took almost like how many days since Saturday? I said this setup on Saturday 14th. It took all the way until Tuesday, right? I think, yeah, Tuesday. It took all the way till Tuesday before hitting full take profit for this setup. So that's how we made 5,000 pips with my community. So easy, so simple. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel so you can see all the analysis of the setup I usually take with my community. I do explain it, and also you're subscribing because I do come on live too to trade. This setup was also shared live on YouTube, and we traded it together with everyone. So click the link in my bio, join my Telegram community also, where I drop the setups for free too. See you there.